Today 25, the strike called by TPF. We don't know who the Nagorik Suraj Summons and Mijo Convention, why they are coming in Tripura and protesting against the which is given by central government, state government. They already passed the bill to settle our Bro people, and why they are coming and protesting, and who are they? We don't know, because they are from illegal immigrant. They are creating problem here in Tripura. They are murdering, killing from past 71 years. Running, they are killing and murdering, and we didn't get still justice. In Tripura government, not only central government and as well as Tripura government, they didn't give any justice for our indigenous people. That's why we are still continue fighting, and now TPF stand up for the justice, and we are looking for the justice. Still, if they cannot give the justice, we will continue fighting for our right and for our justice. And we are heartfelt for our beloved brother fireman, late Bishojit Deborma. He just returned home from his duty, and on the spot, they just brutally kill Nagorik Suraj Summons and Mijo Convention, who give them right to kill. They say that they are protesting, but they are doing a criminal act. They are just killing people. Bishojit Deborma has nothing to do with them. He's just returning home from his office. But they are killing them. They are bringing a problem. They are creating a problem. They are a problem maker in Tripura. Rather, we indigenous people, we peaceful maker. We want to stay peacefully. But these illegal immigrants, Nagorik Suraj Summons and Mijo Convention, they try to create problem in Tripura. We always want a peaceful. We indigenous people are peaceful. We never We never create problem, but still, Nagorik Suraj Summons and Mijo Convention, and they are creating problem. They are killing our brother. They are creating government service. They are killing our firemen, who we are very sad today. And today all over the Tripura, we are just called strike because of our overwhelming heart. We want justice for our Bishojit Deborma, and we just see in Kanchanpur they were given 144, but they didn't keep the law and order, and and government also, we see the failure of their duty. They cannot stop them, because today we know that in worldwide there is a corona going on, but they didn't listen to them, and they get together and they make problem. Who give them authority and power to settle to displace group people, to displace here and there? Who give them the right, and who are they? Why they are coming in Tripura and creating problem? I want to appeal all the central government and Tripura government should take right action for those who are culprit, those who are killer, just to identify them and give them a punish. Give them a right punish for those who are culprit, those who are killer, those who are murderer. I just want to say our central government and Tripura government to give justice for our beloved fireman, late Bishojit Deborma.
Your name and designation?
Sorry?
Your name and designation?
My name is Bobet Jomatia.